Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Rogue in Soul Knight. Rogue excels at hit-and-run tactics, making his dodge a core mechanic. Practice timing your dodge to avoid incoming attacks and reposition effectively. His starting weapon, the Bad Pistol, has a high critical hit chance, so aim for those criticals to clear early rooms efficiently. Remember, staying mobile is key to surviving tougher encounters and boss fights. Rogue's primary skill, Dodge, is your best friend for avoiding damage. It offers a brief moment of invincibility, perfect for dodging bullets or boss attacks. His roll ability, while similar, is more about repositioning quickly. Learn to chain these movements together, rolling into a better position, then dodging through enemy fire to deliver your attacks. This constant movement keeps you safe and your damage consistent. When choosing weapons for Rogue, consider those that complement his agile playstyle. Fast-firing weapons like SMGs or assault rifles allow you to deal consistent damage between dodges. Shotguns can be incredibly effective if you master dodging into close range for a powerful burst. Look for buffs that increase critical hit chance, attack speed, or movement speed to further enhance Rogue's strengths and make him an even more formidable character. For advanced Rogue play, truly mastering the iframes during your dodge is crucial. This allows you to pass through laser grids or boss attacks unscathed. Always use the environment to your advantage, ducking behind cover to reload or avoid overwhelming enemy fire. Remember, patience and precise timing are your greatest assets. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important for any gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.